Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mrs. Home. Today I am going to show you how to prepare floating candles with cookie cutters and a sunflower floating candle. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications. Let's begin with cookie cutter floating candles. All of you need is a paraffin wax, some cookie cutters and a thick thread, some wax crayons and little oil and a brush. Let's start the preparation. Apply very little oil to all the molds so that it will be very easy to demold the candles. Secure all the molds with clay or chapati dough. Here I have placed a tawa on the stove and I am going to melt some wax with a red wax crayon in a saucepan. Now gently pour the melted wax in the molds. Dip this thread once in a melted wax so that it will become stiff and cut this into pieces. Now I am going to insert in the molds. Repeat the same process with the other wax crayon. The next one I am going to show you is sunflower floating candle. Here I have taken a sunflower mold which I am going to apply with very little oil and some silver glitter powder. Now I am going to insert this thread from the center of the mold. Now I am pouring a very little brown color melted wax in the center of the mold. Now I am pouring some melted yellow color wax in it. Once it cooled down completely, now it's time to demold the candle. Now I am going to arrange my floating candles in a glass bowl with some beautiful flowers. I am going to show you one more arrangement of a floating candle. Take a plain glass, add some marble stones and some plastic flowers and fill it with water. Now gently place the floating candle in it. Friends, if you like my video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.